The winter's here, and it's time to start growing indoors. That's why I picked up these Aero Gardens, so I can grow all winter long. They were used by someone else and listed for sale on Facebook, so they're a bit worn, but we can still grow food with them. No matter what, they're super cool and produce a ton of produce if you know how to use them. I'll walk you through the basics of how to start your seeds and what you'll need. Before I do anything, I like to fill up the water tank and get nutrients in the water so the pump doesn't have to run dry while I work. I'll be using these General Hydroponics nutrients, so if you've got a different brand, you'll need to check their mixing instructions. For these, you need a 1/4 teaspoon of each nutrient per gallon of water until the plants get bigger. The large Aero Garden I have is about 3/4 of a gallon, but to make it easy, I'll be rounding up to use the 1 gallon mixture. If you don't know your water tank size, all you need to do is add 1 cup of water at a time until it's at your fill line, and then convert the amount of cups to gallons. Now the tanks are full and your nutrients are in, we can start the seeds. These are the seeds I'll be planting, but if you're adventurous and want to start something like tomatoes, make sure you get a dwarf variety so it can grow in this small of a container. To get started, you have these little sponge-like pods to put your seeds in. Once their water's soaked up, all you need to do is drop whatever seeds you're growing into the little hole in these cells. And this part's optional, but I like to put these little humidity domes over my seeds. So if you do the same, make sure you take them off when you see your first plant sprout. Once that's done, it's time to play the waiting game. I started the seeds in my small garden a couple of days ago and just got my first plant sprouted. And while you wait for yours to grow, make sure you keep an eye on my channel. I'll be giving weekly updates and releasing some other Aero Garden related videos soon, including what food you can make using your produce. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and if this video is helpful, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to see future garden videos and cheap meals. Thank you for watching.